Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low-carb blueberry cheesecake bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 16 ounces of cream cheese and you want that softened, so that is 2 packages. Then you need 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of golden monk fruit sweetener. This is the kind I get from Big Lots. Then you need a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and then 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of fresh blueberries. And then you're going to need an 8x8 or 9x9 baking dish, which I have here. I'm going to spray that with cooking spray and go ahead and preheat my oven to 325. Alright, so now in a big bowl we are going to mix all of our ingredients together except for the blueberries with an electric mixer until they are nice and combined. Alright, that looks good. I'm just going to scrape my sides with a spatula and then I'm going to pour it into my prepared pan and smooth it out and then add the blueberries on top. Alright, my dessert is all ready to go into the oven. You can see all those yummy blueberries on top. So now we are going to bake that 40 to 45 minutes. At 325. Alright, my dessert just came out of the oven and you can see it's a little crispy right there and you can see some of the blueberries. So next we are going to loosely wrap this with foil and we have to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours before we cut it into our bars. Hey taste tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Nut Free Mama, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.